Okay, so previously we've learnt that nearly everything in the world around us and the universe is made up of materials. And another way that we can say materials is matter. So nearly everything in the universe is made up of matter. And what scientists have discovered is that there are four main ways that matter can exist. And we call these the states of matter. So there are four main states of matter. And they are solids, liquids, gases, and the fourth one is plasma, which we're not going to talk about any further today, but we will learn about that more in the future. So for every material, such as water, it can exist in any of the different states of matter. And we're probably familiar with water when it's solid. It's known as ice. And when water is a liquid, we just call it water, or liquid water. And when water is a gas, it is water vapor. And what we can do is start looking at all the different materials that we know and classify them depending on whether they're a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So some solids that we are familiar with are things like wood and rock. We've already mentioned ice, steel, the metal, or rubber, and other metals like gold and silver. Some other materials that we might know of that are liquid. Their state is a liquid. We've already mentioned water, but also oil and many foods and drinks are liquids like honey and other things like paint are liquid as well, and even some metals, or one in particular, mercury, is a liquid. And lastly, gas. Some materials that are gases, the most common one that we breathe every day is air. There's also helium is a gas. And we've mentioned water vapor. Water vapor. And some other gases that you see in signs, street signs that light up, is neon gas.